Okay. Okay, good evening, members. Today my topic was actually this AidLearning platforms. Okay, it's actually a Linux, complete Linux OS running on your Android phone. Have to be Android. Okay, so this actually is platforms for developers to develop applications, okay, running on phones, right? Particularly in the AI topics, artificial intelligence. Okay, so inside this platform have all the built-in development tools. So you can have a lot of applications supports. Okay, those high-level language such as Python, Java, C, C++. Okay, using GCC or G++ to compile. Okay, they also actually having you can use something more simple. Okay, like Zero Buzzer kind of a language to develop your programs. Okay, so you can develop the programs. Okay, then the this cloud desktop. Okay, later I will show you. Okay, the you can using this cloud desktop. Okay, on your PCs so that you will be more easier. I mean to navigate than your phone. Okay, somebody will still prefer doing something on the PC rather than the phone, right? It's just a beginning. Okay, develop into full-fledged communities and it's supported by many. Okay, many vendors. Right, so it can compatible with many platforms. Okay, so this was actually the some screenshots of the phone itself. So you can actually using your phone or actually tablets. Okay, your tablets. Then something like the navigation is like a Mac interface, but actually it's not a Mac, of course. Okay. They have this grid inside the grid hub. They have all the informations. Okay, you can go in to install. You can read inside. There's a lot of development tools. Okay, for you to develop all the projects. Okay, on the AI, artificial intelligence itself. Okay, this was actually showing you on the pads, on the tablets. Okay, so I have, if you install, you can see that there's a there's this icon, okay, AidLearning icon. Okay, after you install, you open up AidLearning, will be something like this. Okay, it will be something like this, or you can actually using horizontally or vertical. Okay, but I mean the phone actually is quite small actually. Maybe people don't like to work on the phone itself because it's a small area, small viewing what screens. Okay, so what you do is actually there's an icon on top. There's an icon called Cloud IP. Okay, if you click on the Cloud IP, you can see actually there's a address. Okay, you can see there's an address. So this address, okay, you can using any desktop on the your same router, okay, with this address, right? Then it will have a screen something like this. Okay, with this screen, now you can actually working on your projects. Okay, you can working on your projects. As you can see, it's a full screen. Okay, so you can use it like a Linux box. Okay, okay. I mean some of the Linux commands. So this was just a Linux box. Okay, there's a red button on the left hand side is to close close this box. Okay, you can go to the example. They will actually have some example to lead you in on the programming. Okay, so you can see the thing is they have some examples. Okay, this was actually the AI face mesh. So the all the point in the face. Okay, then this one will monitor the positioning, human pose and tracking. Okay, okay. And you can actually have hand tracking. Okay, and then the personal segmentation, okay, face swap, okay, you have body swap, okay, object tracking, face detections, okay, 3D objects, and many others are many other examples. So far, any questions?
William.
Yeah.
Is this AidLearning able to develop website or not?
Not website. It's a AI, artificial intelligence.
Oh, so cannot develop website lah. It's a okay. Is this a
It's
free?
the purpose actually is meant for more on the AI portions. Okay, using higher language like Python. Right.
C++ is one of them, but coding cannot,
Yeah.
right? Can you use coding? Can you use coding language?
What's that?
Coding.
What coding?
Language. The language called coding.
Coding.
Not allowed.
I didn't see anything. I'm not
okay.
sure.
Is this a free software?
Yes. So far it's free.
Okay.
These are the languages supported. Can you see?
Yeah. And just now you mentioned that there's a address that I can run it on a PC, right?
Yes.
So once I
address,
it must be the
there's
same route.
this, you click on the cloud IP, this one. Okay.
Oh, okay.
But I mean, must be on the mobile now. Right now, on this one cannot. Okay. You click on the cloud IP, you will see the address. The address is this one. Port 8000.
Oh, 8000.
This is my IP. This is my router IP on this my phone IP, and then 8000.
So where is this server come from? Is it from China or from somewhere else?
It's not server. These are applications. There's no server.
Oh, okay, so this somebody develops an application and put it into
this application is running inside your phone.
Okay.
The application running in your phone. Right now, my PC is accessing my phone.
Okay.
It's not a server. Server, they actually upload everything inside this GitHub. You can go to their website, GitHub. Actually, they have a lot of things in their AidLearning repository.
Okay.
Okay. So they have a lot of things out there where you can use particularly OpenCV. Okay, this is a computer vision library. Okay, you can learn to using this to develop some AI stuff.
Okay.
And they have face, API to recognize the face, and so on. And then inside, actually, they recommend using Python language. Using Python language, and then in the Python language, they actually the Python itself, they have a compiler to compile Python into your APK. So this thing can be uploaded into your phone and then you run it on your phone itself to test out. Currently, they develop more for their own China markets. So there are some of the thing actually is in Chinese. If you doesn't master the Chinese language, then maybe have some limitations. Okay, they also have this blocky, they call it. Okay, is okay, is like a jigsaw puzzle. Okay, jigsaw puzzle kind of thing. Yep. Okay, you can convert into English. Okay, so this is English. So you have jigsaw puzzle. Okay, instead of writing codes, you can actually using this. Okay, they have logic, they have loops, map. Okay, text, list. This list mean linked list. Okay, they get color. Then you can create variables. You have functions. Right. So all these are in blocks. Instead of writing, okay, you can actually do it. And then after that, it be converted into all these. Okay. This one, I mean, they have PHP or XML. Maybe you can use it to write web pages if you want, but it's not HTML per se. You can explore. I mean, you can go and download and explore it. It's a finder. This one is the this is a hardware. Hardware meaning that this one will able to configure your hardware. Okay. This was actually Python language. This one. Okay, so these are all the code itself. Not working. Okay. In this game center, inside actually come with games. So this was all the things. Yeah, wizard. I don't have anything. There's a lot of programming. Okay, you even have a web browser. Okay, have a web browser. All right. So if you have the thing, you can actually, you are free to explore it. Overall, this was actually a Linux emulator on your phones. So it emulate a Linux for you to develop as a AI, artificial intelligence development environment. Okay, so they built in 7 deep learning framework. Okay. So it says only simulator support this Python graphical developments and debugging. It support both touch and drag interface design. Okay, so you improve your development efficiency. So you can use Python to develop apps, okay, that can run on your mobile phone. And inside can it support Python code directly compiled into deployable APK files. Okay, when you download is a 10 meg boot apps. You download on your phone. Then after that, it will try to install. The whole program will be about 1.5 gig.
So William, for this case, if
Yeah.
you have a phone running only, what's the minimum RAM size and storage size that you need in order to run AidLearning?
RAM size. So far,
memory size,
they
memory
never
size.
mention anything.
Yeah, you will run
Most
on
of the current phone, I think about
6 gig. 6
maybe
gig.
3 or 4 gig able to run
3 or 4
RAM.
gig.
Because it say 99.5% of mobile phone on the market. Okay, those 64-bit phones are like Huawei, Vivo, Oppo, Samsung, Xiaomi. My Xiaomi can run. Okay. And your phone no need to load your phone. Okay, they don't load your phone, and the content your phone will not be destroyed Okay, they say they don't collect your personal privacy and all the permission you can set by yourself. See what kind of setting that you want. Okay. So it says the lowest threshold of the AI developments. I mean start to learn only for this thing, not a lot. So will not be able to demonstrate a lot of things. Okay. On your phone, there are a lot of built-in sensor. Okay, like your sound, your gyroscope, okay, position, camera, all this, okay, can be used on this your apps itself, your developer programs. Okay, for your inside this program can they run both the Android and Linux. Say this framework, the whole framework design is 2 parts: Linux simulator and AI programming platforms. Actually, very simple, the whole thing. Okay, you just go there. You say you download this APK. Okay, you click on download. You go inside. You go to this AidLearning.net. Okay, go inside the website. Okay, you can just download this this a loader. Okay, about 10 meg. Okay, you download this and then you click on it. It will start to install. Right? When you install, they have few things. I mean, right? When they install, there are few things on the right. So when you go to install, right? So once you install, okay, they will download all these things. I mean the install dependency depends on your phone. Okay, so this was a percentage. I mean 100%. You finish download, it will be complete long. You can have 3 mode lah, actually selection. Okay, you can select the light mode, okay, which is about 300 meg, the professional mode pro, okay, 1.5 gig, or the full, I mean editions, okay, about 1.6 gig. Okay, you can select. Then after that, you will install. Okay. So once you install, it will be well, I mean, you are ready to run. So final questions? Any questions? These are the install packet. I can see the package. Okay. Visual Studio Code. Okay. Then the extension Python Touch. Okay. So these are the service run. You also actually have a scale shell, SSH. So this was applications.
William, I have one question.
Yeah.
Just now you mentioned about Linux. When you run this, install this AidLearning, is the Linux OS also installed in your Android phone?
Because you know Android, the underlying core is actually Linux.
Oh, okay. So it's
So they
using,
just build a Linux front end to it, so that you can use it like Linux.
I see, okay. So there's no additional Linux OS installed in your Android phone?
No, it's not. It's not.
Okay, okay.
They just have because Android is a top layer of the Linux
Okay.
on the phones itself.
So a lot of people actually make use of this to develop games, is it? Because the game also use AI, right?
Yes, possible also. It's up to the imaginations. I mean, all
Yeah,
these
correct.
things.
Right.
So the thing is, it's just a platform, okay? And if you have time, you can go through and then you can just try to develop some things. Okay, they have a lot of examples.
Besides Python,
Yes.
can I use C++ also as well, right?
I think there is, but you have to read, you have to install something.
Oh, so it's a different approach.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. So the thing is, you must go ahead and read. I thought the thing is they have it can be installed C++ if you want, but Python is much better than C++, because the thing is, Python is easier,
Higher level, yeah.
higher level,
Yes.
higher level than your C++.
Yeah, correct.
Of course, C++ have more control over the thing.
Mm-hmm. Okay, thanks.
All right. I do not have much thing to show already. So this is a full screen. You're saying full screen like that. The interface you see is just like Mac. Mac, they have a bottom one whole row of icon, and then with all the icons. So this is what they mentioned about. Look like Mac, Macintosh, Mac OS. It's a framework you can actually put it to. Okay, you can go to the demo, and then you can actually download some codes if you want. So this code below will be say the code below was actually face recognitions. Okay. And talk about this cloud IP. So you can see actually this was the IP addresses of your phone. Okay, this one is IP address of your phone. Then at port 8000. Okay, so with this your computer browser, once you go inside, you can actually see you need your phone and the computer on the same VLAN, that means the same network, in order to access. Okay. If you have IPv6, okay, you will see IPv6. Okay, IPv6 address. So this one will teach you on how to use the Visual Studio Code IDE. Okay, this is a Visual Studio Code IDE. IDE is an integrated development environment. Right? So it's supporting not only Python, but some other things like C, C++, Java, Go, R. Okay. R is another language for data mining, data analytic. Right. So this was actually the VScode, Visual Studio Code, okay, platform. So you want to install C++, okay, this one will actually show you how to install the C++ if you want. Okay, so it's something like this. Okay, Visual Code. Okay, so you click on this, and this, and this. Okay, so this extension. Okay. So you want to install C++, okay, just click install. Okay, like that. Okay. So Python say install, you say install, you are installing the Python. The Python application will install. Okay, so this was actually the Python extensions for your Visual Studio Code. Okay, so I can see you actually installed. If you want to install some more, okay, let's say you want to install C++, you can just say install. Okay, So now is supporting C++. Okay, you can see they actually install. Okay, if you want to use C# also can. Okay, that's C#. It's a JavaScript. Okay, it's a code formatter. Okay, the Java extension if you want. Okay, the Go. Okay, code runner. Icon. Okay, this PowerShell. Okay, and many other things are supporting. Okay, you can there are many and Vim. So these are the whole list of the popular applications. Right now C++ is installed. Then C++ install. Okay, Python install and Jupyter. Okay, so with this C++, you can actually use it. Use this to develop applications. So these are the package inside. So this is how you install your Visual Studio Code environments. Okay, so this is how you manage all your files. And run account. Okay, how to manage. Right. This is the program itself. So far, any questions on this? Any question on this? So this was actually basically, I mean, what you can do with your computer. I mean your phone. Okay, now your phone is running two OS. Okay, your phone running two OS. Android and Linux. So final question. Anything you want to ask me?
Hey, how come like that?
Huh?
No, Dr. Ho asked, how many
Yes.
people using this program on the phone? How many people?
How many people?
How popular is it?
How popular is it? Still new actually, all this.
What is the future? What is the future?
Huh?
What is the future of this?
It's
This
all up to you, I mean, individual. It's just a tools. Okay, I'm introducing a tools. Okay, that I discovered. Okay, from the internet. Okay, where because nowadays phones are very powerful. New phones some phones are more powerful than your computer. Okay, so they actually using the phone as a platform to develop something. And you can take your phone go anywhere lah. Okay, as long as you on the same network, okay, you can use you can get any computer, okay, on the same network, then you can just use your computer to access your phone, and then you can start to develop the things or
use the computer to access the phone.
Yes. Now I'm using the computer to access my phone.
Using this
web browser.
How
this is a web browser.
How to do it again?
Huh?
Can you say how do you go about? Use the phone.
You just came in.
Computer to control the phone.
Huh? Yes.
Can you just
came in, Are you just came in?
No, I've been listening, but actually I don't understand many things. This is just something out of my mind. So since you're talking about that stuff,
okay.
So I want to use my phone, my computer to access my phone.
Yes. No, the thing is only this application. Not anything.
Using this application now.
Is only this application, because this application they build such that, okay, using this Linux you can use a computer browser to access your phone. Okay, what you do is inside your these applications they have an icon called the cloud IP. Okay, this cloud IP. Once you click on the cloud IP, okay, it will give you address. Okay, as long as you have same network with your phone, okay, same router with your phone, okay, this is your phone IP. Okay, so with 8000 colon 8000 is a port number. So once you put this, you type in all this thing in your browser, okay, my browser is something like this so you can see actually
So it's a different desktop altogether.
It's a different desktop. It's not the same desktop as your phone. This one is remote inside, but he has the same interface.
And then the keyboard
whatever development storage is inside your phone. It's not your computer.
The keyboard, I use a keyboard.
Yes.
Normally I use a keyboard normally.
Yeah, you can use your keyboard normally
So which means I have two computers in one computer.
Yep.
Oh, that's exciting.
You see, I'm using keyboard. This one using computer keyboard to tap.
Can you make it really a full screen? So like
Full screen on what?
Oh yeah,
This is a browser.
This is a browser. This is a browser already.
This is a browser. So
Browser,
you say
okay.
I want a browser, I just right click. Okay, I can enable full. So this is a full screen already.
That is your handphone, is it?
No, this is a computer, not handphone.
I
Whatever
know,
you see is a computer.
I know now it's on a computer desktop, but
Yes.
is it a mirror of your handphone?
No, it's not. Okay. Let's say I'm running this one. Okay. You can see my handphone is like that.
Your handphone like that, okay? Okay.
So you see a desktop different? It's different.
But what's behind the black screen?
Huh?
What's behind your black screen? There are some those icons, colorful, looks like Mac.
Yeah. This is the interface. I mean the interface.
You take away the black screen. You take away the screen.
So maybe let me try to explain to Dr. Ho. Okay, this William is accessing his own phone, but because he's using a PC, the interface is different. But he's actually accessing his phone.
I see on my screen, my TV. I cast whatever on my handphone onto TV.
Correct.
So
this is not cast. This is not mirror. This is not mirror.
No, for me it's mirroring. So because
correct.
For me it's mirroring. So we talk about this the screen that I see. I see the kind of desert with a lot of icon on the left and icon at the bottom. What browser is that?
Okay, this is the interface of your phone when viewed from a PC.
Okay.
The interface of your phone when viewed from your phone is different, but what you're accessing is still your phone. It's just like your phone has a split image. There's one interface for the phone, one interface for remote PC.
Still not very clear.
Yeah, I mean, it's just like you are looking, you're accessing the phone. Is that the phone display in different way? Just like your phone is vertical, portrait, and then landscape, and another one is PC. So they got three type of interface.
What I see now on my handphone, how do you describe this? This one is it?
This is your phone interface.
A phone interface.
Your user interface as viewed from a phone.
Okay. So I see a row of icon at the bottom, and then I see icons on the left hand side.
All right. So what you are looking at now is the interface as viewed from the PC.
Okay.
But the content is the same. The content is from the phone.
Contents from the phone.
Yeah, if you use a PC, you will get a bigger screen, so it looks different. You use a phone itself has two types of interface. One is portrait, one is landscape.
Yes.
So this is a third interface. When you use a PC, bigger screen.
Bigger screen. Bigger screen.
So they pack more icon like that.
So now instead of working on my handphone, I work on a keyboard and a PC.
Yes.
But whatever you do is on your phone.
Everything is accessing your phone.
Oh, that's exciting.
Yeah.
Let's get it started.
So you don't need to use a PC to install Linux. Your Linux is in your phone. So good, right?
So no, but I'm still suppose tonight Oh, I must have a program, is it? I must have the program for China.
No lah, I mean, you just go to the website lah, the AidLearning.net to download lah.
But you must use your phone to download, right?
Yeah, must use your phone download. Android phone.
Use Android phone to download.
Yeah, you go to this site lah. You can see a site on top.
AidLearning next English HTML.
No need. You just go.
No lah, AidLearning.net. That's all.
I see. Okay, then.
AidLearning.net. That's all. Okay. Then, if you go there, you can see on your phone. You just click on this thing. Download. This is a version version 0.87 F2. They have many versions. Still not a full version yet. That's why 0.8 lah. It's not released yet. It's still a beta version.
Is it safe or not?
Huh?
Is it safe in the sense that it may my PC, my Windows may corrupt my Windows?
It will never corrupt your Windows because it runs on the browser.
It's not run on your computer one. It's run on your phone, your Android phone.
Oh, I see. And
you must install in your Android phone or not your computer.
Oh, I see. Installed in on my handphone, Android handphone.
In your handphone, you must install in your handphone.
Okay.
It take up about 1.5 gig.
Yeah. Okay. No problem. Yeah.
1.5 gig of data. But nowadays our phone are so big already nowadays. 128 gig. So what is 1.5?
Okay. So now I have loaded into my handphone. Then what's the next step?
You start to load and then it will load lah.
Yeah, okay, load. Finish loading.
Finish loading, that means you will see what lah?
See
icon.
the menu. See the menu on the left hand side.
You will see an icon.
Oh, icon. Can you show the icon?
You will see the icon.
How does it look like?
The icon looks something like this.
Oh, I see. Like a spider lah.
They put AidLearning.
Okay. I can see the AidLearning.
Yeah.
So that will be on my handphone.
On your handphone. You just click on the one, then it will start the thing. Take a while to start initially. Okay. You can actually after you start, you can actually you ask you want to register. Account or not. You can register or you can skip lah.
Okay.
Then you can just try lor. If you want to store something, you must. You can register lah if you want.
So you get in. How to get out? You
get out.
How to get out?
Get out. So how to get out? Can you see? Okay.
Where is it? Yeah, right.
On top, there's one like robot.
Yes, I can see.
There's a robot like on the left hand side top. Okay.
Yes.
You click. Okay. There's a close. You can see.
Oh, see. The bottom one, close.
Bottom one is close.
How to read the two Chinese words? Guan.
The first one is about. Guan Yu, about. Second one is Guan Pi. Guan Pi means close.
Okay. Guan Yu, Guan Pi.
Guan Yu is about about this program. Okay. This is about the program.
Say Guan Pi. Can you show Guan Pi? Click on it. What happened?
You click on it. You will close. You say you want to close.
Continue.
Chatting. Close.
Chatting.
You will close.
But it's still there.
Have
you closed it? Have you closed it? Close it and see.
I close it. My phone closed.
But I still see the.
Yeah, but nothing already. Cannot be reached.
This side can't be reached. Yeah.
Close already, cannot be reached.
Yeah. Okay. There was a bit of delay on my side.
Once you close it, it cannot be reached already.
So now literally we have put our handphone inside our PC.
Yes.
Wow. Who has tried it? William?
Yeah.
Bing Cheng, have you tried it?
Not yet lah. I catch no ball ma. Now after hearing, then I understand lah.
Okay, once you go inside, you can see that actually they ask you to sign in if you want. Okay. And at bottom there's a cross just skip okay, 跳过
Okay.
skip.
Okay.
So you just skip. Okay.
Okay.
It will just start the thing. Then come on.
I see.
It's very simple.
Looks very simple.
So right now once I on, the screen come back.
I see some have you got translate or make all English? Is there a key to say translate all become English? Because my Chinese is 5%.
I have a bit of difficulty. The thing is because this thing is it was developed by the China people. Okay. I think many serving them. So we are actually helping on them only. So it's good to learn something lah.
Yeah, I know, but your handphone, I see this is not your handphone. Can you actually have your practical handphone, the handphone that you use?
Why?
And you bring this screen up, because I see all these are foreign. It's not your handphone. This is not your handphone.
No,
it's not my handphone. Why?
It's his handphone. It's just that the display is optimized for his computer screen.
No, but all the are these William's handphone icon?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
All are inside his handphone. All the programs you see are in the handphone.
Oh, I see.
It's just the layout is designed for his PC.
Where is your Google Map?
Don't have.
Where is your contact? Where is your telephone?
No, because it's running a full screen already.
It's Linux. It's Linux. It's not a phone.
It's not a phone. It's Linux.
Yeah, no, I don't understand. But you are supposed to I'm supposed to show all my handphone icon on the screen, but it is not.
No, it's not. The one is on the Android. Now, right now, your phone having two OS, two operating system.
Yes.
Okay. The underlying of Android actually is Linux kernel.
Okay.
Okay. So Android is built interface on top of this Linux kernel.
Okay.
Okay. So wherever you see your phone, you actually access through the Android interface. Okay. But right now, this program built a second interface. Second, viewing interface, graphical interface, which is the Linux. So right now, what you see on my screen actually is Linux. The actual Linux itself.
Oh, the actual Linux itself.
Yeah.
I was thinking of seeing this. Can you see me? Am I visible to you?
Hold on, hold on. I just turned off the thing. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Okay. You're not. I'm not. You're not seeing me.
Yes, I can see you.
You see, this is my other phone. I want to see the same thing on the PC. Can you see my phone?
See the same thing in your PC.
Yeah, because I'm supposed to use PC. Yeah, I'm supposed to use PC for my phone. That's my idea is now the PC can function as my phone.
He's talking about remote desktop equivalent.
Like that.
Possible. It's
another
possible. It's possible.
I will
show you. Okay.
That's the whole idea.
It's possible. Okay. What you do is it's not like that. Hold on. Okay. Inside Windows 10. Okay. You can go and download. You can see on my screen. Windows 10. You can download something called phone.
I can't. I still see China screen. I still see your Linux screen.
Is it?
There's no change.
No change. Sorry.
Or you must share screen is share desktop, not share the browser.
Okay.
You must exit the share, terminate share, then you change your share to desktop.
How to
terminate share and then share again? Share screen, terminate share screen.
How to terminate stop share? Okay. Stop
and share screen, share your desktop.
Where is it?
This is what I want to see.
Yeah, hold on. Hey, where is the thing?
Why you have a phone on your hand, you still want to see using a PC?
It's much clearer. I look, so I have both this one and that one. So if I look at this, means I look at my handphone now. Otherwise, I'll be looking at you.
Oh.
Hey, how come the thing? Oh, where is the share screen? Okay. So now I share the screen. Can you see the screen?
Yes, I can see the screen.
Okay. So I have this app called the phone. Okay, phone.
Where? Photo, no phone.
Don't have.
Where is the phone? Phone. Hey? Where's my phone? Sorry.
Your phone.
Okay. Call your phone. Okay, this is the Windows apps. Okay. So I run your phone. Okay. So inside we're actually having, I can see all the photos. Okay.
And what?
Can you see?
Yeah, I can sort of. I can see. This is. But again, it's different from what I expect. I expect to see the home page of your phone on the computer.
home page. My device. Picture. You can manage call. Okay. No, I don't. This is it's not the same actually.
It's not remote control.
It's not remote control. It's just sharing whatever thing inside your phone. You can control your phone. You can see the messaging, all the photo, okay, and the messaging, okay. Can sync notification.
Yeah, something like that. But to start with, at the very beginning, you should see the home page of the phone on the PC.
That one must go and explore, search again. It's remote controller for the phone.
More than that, and also can use the keyboard and mouse as if the handphone is inside the PC.
Yeah. That one must have must go and find the software or we develop lah.
We can try and develop.
Yeah, then there's a market. There will be a market for it.
Yeah.
If you lose your phone, then you can remotely access your phone, and then whoever use your phone, you can see him already.
But you see, the thing is, depends on what kind of connectivity that you want to connect to your phone.
Everything like your phone
because a lot of them
everything
all connections are using either Bluetooth or Wi-Fi.
No Bluetooth, no Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or 4G lah. Wi-Fi or 4G. Just like a Windows remote desktop like that. Yeah, you will look into it. If we have, that would be good.
Oh, that would be ideal.
Then we can monitor the phone. What you use, I can see.
Yeah, yes, right now, the closest is WhatsApp. Oh. What you see on the handphone is on the computer.
Okay, maybe I stop recording first.